Like I said, we're gonna bend a big one like this, also a tapered coil. Here we have a column brought under them, and tomorrow they're leaving a welder here. The operator that we are training today, tomorrow he will already be working as a welder tacking on this column, these parts. And we'll just watch from the sidelines and, if anything, correct any of the operator's actions. Our goal is for the operator to fully learn how to operate this machine without our involvement. Surveyors are here now, measuring this structure here. It should match millimeter for millimeter. Well, we'll see about that. Here they're measuring the angle. Okay, guys, well, here we have a finished product that was made entirely on our machine. These products are installed in the defined shafts, and further assembly of the structure is already underway. They call this design a pinta or penta. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It's made up of halves. And so we see, yes, the tapered part that goes from large diameter to small diameter. That's exactly why we added the function on our machine, to exactly manufacture the number of tapered turns. subtitles by Dima Torok.